Hey, I'm Tom.
I'm a creator. I'm a musician, I'm a video maker, sometimes a travel vlogger, a podcaster, an audio fiction maker, and most importantly, I love telling stories. Whether it's mine, my experiences, whether it's something I wrote or someone else's perspective, there is always a story to tell. Sometimes I use a microphone, sometimes I use a guitar, some other times like now I use a camera. I love gear, but let's face it, it's only a tool I use to help me tell something in a creative way, because I am passionate about the creative process. And if you're an artist or if you make stuff, we have something in common. Now that I live in London, I feel the need to share more about what I do, about how I do it, and how it makes me feel. The more I meet people, the more I feel like I can't share because everything I've done so far is in my native language. So I'm starting something new. I want to meet people like me. I want to share the aspects of the creative process, about what it is to make stuff with other creators. I am starting an experiment, a creative experiment. And yes, French accent is included. I hope I'll see you around, because I know I'm not alone.